Do you want to be able to fix transaction declined in Valorant? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing I'm going to do is to actually go into Google, and you can do this both on your mobile or on your PC or computer. Basically, it doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do right here is to actually firstly go into Google. So you need to firstly go into Google. And now I'm just going to search for Valorant support, as you can see. So search for Valorant support, and then you should be taken to this page right here. So what I'm going to do now is to actually click where it says Valorant support in here, as you can see. So I'm just going to click here, and it's just going to take me to this page right here, which is perfect because we need to come to this page right here. And now I'm just going to scroll down. So keep scrolling down until you can see where it says, it should say somewhere in here. I'm just going to go back, sorry. Perfect. As you can see, it says submit a ticket in here. So basically just scroll down and click where it says submit a ticket. It's just going to load here for me perfectly. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So what I'm going to do in here is to just click here and then choose a category in here. We can just take general questions. So just click on general question. Perfect. As you can see, you're now taken to this page right here. The problem is that you can see you must be logged in before you can submit this type of ticket. So of course you need to firstly log into your Valorant account, and then you can actually be able to submit a request to them. You need to write something like this: my transaction is declined, please help me to fix this, what should I do, basically. So you need to submit a ticket to them, and after that they will get back to you, and hopefully after that the issue will be fixed from their side, basically. So this is exactly how to actually do this. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.